How to register for NTHE Aakash National Talent Hunt Exam 2023. Visit nthe.aakash.ac.in/nthe. Enter your mobile number and click on Verify Mobile Number. Enter the OTP received on your mobile number and click on Submit. Once your mobile number is successfully verified, the personal info form will appear. Fill in the details and click on Select Exam Details to proceed to the next step. On the next screen, choose from online exam or offline exam modes. Select your preferred state, center and exam date. After choosing the exam date, click on Complete Registration. If you selected offline exam mode, you will now be redirected to the payment gateway to complete the payment. Once done, a registration successful message will appear with your roll number, password and exam details. Congratulations! You have successfully registered for Aakash National Talent Hunt Exam. Click on Go to Dashboard to log in to your account. You will also receive a confirmation email with login and exam details on your registered email address. In case you need any assistance, please reach out to us on 180010322727 or write to us at nthesupport@esl.in. Thank you.